Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe, click on the notification button, and please help me like the video. Alright, thank you. So tonight I'm going to be showing you how to insert your Intech ad code. Alright, first of all, you go to your browser, log in to your Intech account. Alright, let's wait. Oh, Nigeria network. Alright, here we are. Please take note of this. You can see here, you can see the A stand for advertiser, while the P stand for publisher. So now, as a blogger, you are going to click on this letter P, which means the publisher. Alright, waiting for the network to load. Waiting for the network. Alright, you can see this is my account. Yes, 12 impression, 3 click, then 3 naira paid. So now, to create your code, come here, this sign here, code, create code, manage code. You click on create code. Okay, it's loading. You can see. Then here, it said targeting site. That is, which site do you want to place the code? Then you click and select. This is my, you can see alwaysblog.sy. That is my own code. Then you come here, leave it for the company. They will give you the code. Now you choose here CPC/CPM. Then here you choose the type of ad you want. Text only. You have banner only. Text plus image only. Text, banner, text, and image. Let's say, for example, now I want to click on this. Then you click here. Then you come here, select add block. You choose the format you want. You can see normally this 728 by 90. Most of the time is for laptops, but let's assume you are using your mobile phone. Let's choose here this last one. After you done that, leave this ticket code, just leave it like that. Then click on create code. When you click on that, can you see what happened? You can see now this is the code that you need to copy. But before that, click on the banner, this banner preview, to see how the thing will look like on your blog site. You can see how it is. It's a blog, so that is a small size. Then you can also check the text preview to see how it will be written. You can see how it looks. So this is how it looks on your blog. So when you are done with that and you are satisfied with the dimension, just come here, just click and hold, click on select. There you copy your code. Now we are going to your blog site. If you are using WordPress or Blogger, but now I'm using WordPress. Okay, so now let's go here. So you can see this is one of the hearts on my page, but I'm going to show you now how you are going to paste it, and you see something like this. Alright, so I'm going to my WordPress app now, waiting for my WordPress to load. Then you come down, view admin. So I'm just trying to show you how you can get there, but most of the time your home may not take this process, but I'm just trying to show you how it will be done. Then click here, see, come to your settings. Then you see insert headers and footers. Then you click on it. Loading. So this is the header I've already pasted there already. But now, because you are coming to paste it new, all you have to do is to do what? Click inside. You can see, look at the script in header. Then the other one is script in the body, while the last one is a script in the footer. You can see that this script will be printed above the closing body tag. But when you paste on the body tag, you see, so it's going to be pasted. So this script will be printed just below the opening body tag. Alright, but most of the time I make use of my header, you see. So remember, we copied a code from Intech blog ads. Then we bring it down here and click on it. So but before that, if you don't have insert headers and footer, you need to go and download it. To do that, you come to your click on your plugin. When you click on plugin, click on add new. You see. So when you get there, you come here, click on just type in your headers and footers. So it's going to load headers and footer. You can see this is it. Just install it. I already have it on my blog. That's why you're seeing it writing active. So when you've done that, just go back here, go to your settings, then you find it there, insert headers and footers. So when you click on it, so it's going to take you to this place. Just paste your copied code from Intech ads. You can see Intech ad, you can see the name, you can see. So when you've done that, just scroll down and click on save. So now when it is saved, when you click on save, for you now to be sure that it's showing on your blog site, just go to your browser, then type in your blog website there, www. For example, mine is olusblog.xyz. So when it's load, this is what's going to happen. You can see this is one of the hearts. You can see it here. You can see this is one is based on the body segment. You see, I pasted this on the body segment. Actually, this ad is from Sarah, but today we are discussing about Intech ads. So now to confirm Intech ad, I have to refresh my blog. Can you see? It's showing at the header because that is where I paste the code. Remember here? So here, exactly here. So this, what you are seeing here, this is the code for it. Right in the script, that script in header. You can see. Then the format, this is it. I pasted it at the body segment. You can see that. So when you are done, just go to your site. Yes. Loading. Yeah, you can see that Intech ad. So now you are good to go and driving more traffic to your blog. Then you start earning. Thank you very much. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe, like, and share with your friends. All right.